Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold. Market opens up here any second now, so let's see what happens. All right, looks like I'm going to get some FIT here. Actually, this thing's going strong. I bet I can get even a better entry than that. So I'm going to move that up to 79 on the entry for my first position here. My first, I should say, entry into the position. Now it's stalling out a little bit, but I'm not going to give up on it quite yet. So that's the goal right now. I will keep you updated. All right, I got picked up my shares, my initial entry, I should say, at 33.79. So I'm going to put out some orders. Let's try to cover some shares here on a pullback. But I would like to build more if I can, just because, like I said, it's I guess I'm getting these filled now. I didn't want to, oh whoops, that was kind of a mistake. I thought I was down at 70 there. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can start the process over. So there we go. So $43, but like I said, let's see, almost broke through 34. So if it can get up there and get through 34, then that would be fantastic. So, well, now my hindsight trader account's getting rich though. Shoulda, coulda, woulda held on, but it is what it is. So I'm going to keep watching this one. Have an order out to short at 123 here on GWPH. A very kind of lower volume, very volatile one, so that's why just starting off with 100 shares. So do have that fishing line in the water, and I'm still actively searching. So right now I have, you can see down here on this section of the screen, 4 different fishing orders out there: GWPH, OI, AMBA, and PYPL for PayPal. So it's literally just a fisherman's game right now, trying to see if I can get some nibbles. All right, I got a bite, I guess I could say, at 68.01. Have a couple other orders out there to try to get some more shares. So I like this pullback here. So I'm adding some size here to it. So let's see what happens here. 67.97 is my current average. Only 600 shares still, so I mean it's nothing huge. Okay, now I've got that down to better size, so I'm still happy to buy this pullback right now. See if I can pick some more up down. Around the 60 and 56 area down here. Like I said, like this buying into this pullback within an overall bullish trend. So let's see if I can get some sort of bounce here. Okay, got some more shares there and there. This is nice. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So now up to 1,600 shares. Five-minute is also very overextended to the downside. Would love to see if it can get down to 67.31. That'd be fantastic. So Let's see what happens. I will keep you updated. I don't want this video to drag out too long. So if it bounces and it looks like I'm going to get some sell orders off, or if it looks like I'm going to be able to accumulate some more shares, I will get the video rolling again. All right, it's back up into the 80s here. I do have some sell orders out there, so we'll see if I can get any off around here. My first sell, okay, so I got 85s. All right, I got all those ones off. So I have 700 left now. I have 600 left. I'm just lightening my load a little bit more here. Okay, I have 300 left. Actually, why don't I do this? Just gonna put a stop. Whoops, put a stop in below 80. So I'll just sell if it gets down there. If not, I'm gonna ride this puppy on up. So I'll move this up again if it can get up above 68. If not, I'm gonna be getting out right around 67, 78. So this one's got a wider spread, so it's a little trickier when it comes to the stops, but let's see what happens. Let's see if it can get pushed back up there above 68. Again, just 300 shares now left. I'm gonna let these try to work for me here. And now we're literally at a standstill. And I'm just going to go ahead and move it up to 67, 87. Maybe a little too tight there on the stop, but it's looking like it wants to get back. Okay, so now I have my stop loss at 67.96. If I see 68.10 on the bid, I'll move up my stop loss again. So 68.10 on the bid is what I'm looking for. $68.06 is what's currently on the bid, if maybe in case you're new. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about with any of this, that's all right. Just take that as a sign that you got some education ahead of you to get yourself. So it's looking like I might get stopped out here. Yep, that's all right. So out at 67.95. So 215 on the trade, and now it's back to the bid of 67.75 that fast. So like I said, it would have been nice if this thing would have kept on bouncing. But I'll take that. And I was willing, as you saw, if it could have gotten down to that pink line, that would have been even better. But it didn't quite get down there before the bounce. So let's see what else is out there. So how did I find stocks like AMBA and FIT today? I'm still going to get some more trades here, but just want to quickly go over this. So how am I finding the stocks that I'm trading? What I've done is put together this free resource guide just to kind of try to kill as many birds with one stone, because that is the most popular question I get. So if you're interested in learning about the tools that I'm using, go ahead, click right there. I will email it to you. It's totally free, good risk versus reward for you. So if you think that sounds like it could add some value to you, then like I said, go ahead and sign up there. It's totally short. It's a one-page thing, so by no means you have to flip through, hundreds and hundreds of pages. It's just a quick and to the point little guide, and it's helped out quite a few people. So give it a try. All right, gonna go for a $25 bill play, meaning I think if I can get filled here relatively soon at 63.65 here on BABA, that I'm going to be able to hop out very quickly. So I like to just equate this to you're walking down the street and you see a $25 bill. I realize there's not a such thing as a $25 bill, but for those of you see a $20 and a $5 bill, and you just you're going to bend down and pick it up, or just keep on walking. I don't know. I'm going to bend down and pick it up. So I'm not Bill Gates, where that instance would actually cost me money. So let's see. Let's see if it works here. I'll try to capture the fill and exit. I kid you not, you saw my order there at 63.65. The highest it went right there, 63.64. So I missed out by a single penny. So, ouch. But hey, that happened. So, yeah, sometimes that would have been... So like I said, that would have been just a quick movement there, but I just I guess I forgot to bend down and pick up the money as I missed it by a single penny. Well, this video is now at 10 minutes, so I'm just going to wrap this up. I don't want this to get too far out of control. So like I said, check out that guide if you're interested in the tools I'm using to find these ticker symbols. And with that, questions, comments, leave those below. Click the like button, share button. As long as I see that these videos are still generating interest, I'll keep on doing them. So thanks for watching. Get out there and trade without emotion.